Welcome to NeoTech-Lens, your ultimate destination for the latest updates on cutting-edge technology, AI innovations, futuristic gadgets, and everything shaping the tech-driven world. Stay ahead of the curve with insightful content, breaking tech news, and in-depth discussions on how technology impacts our daily lives. Join us to explore the future, one lens at a time.
Yo, what's up everyone? It's Neo. And today we're diving deep into the world of AI. But not just any AI. We're talking about AI so advanced it can outperform PhDs, read millions of research papers, design drugs, and generate groundbreaking scientific ideas, all in seconds. It's called FutureHouse. This platform, backed by Google's ex-CEO Eric Schmidt, just launched 4 revolutionary AI agents designed to change the face of science as we know it. So, if you're ready to explore the future of scientific discovery, buckle up because we're about to break down Crow, Falcon, Owl, and Phoenix, the AI scientists that could shape humanity's next big breakthroughs. Let's get into it. Alright, so before we get into the AI agents themselves, let's talk about FutureHouse. This isn't just another tech startup with a fancy website and a dream. This is a full-on moonshot. And with Eric Schmidt backing it, you know they've got serious resources and ambition. What they're building is essentially a platform for AI-powered scientific discovery. Think of it like a digital research lab that never sleeps, never gets tired, and has instant access to a library of scientific knowledge larger than anything we've ever seen. But what makes FutureHouse truly different is its suite of AI agents. These aren't just algorithms trained on massive datasets. They're built with deep reasoning capabilities. That means they can understand complex scientific concepts, connect the dots between different research papers, and even generate their own hypotheses. FutureHouse's AI agents are designed to augment and enhance human researchers, not replace them. They provide scientists with a powerful toolset to accelerate their work, test new ideas, and explore avenues of research that might have been impossible before. FutureHouse is committed to making these tools accessible to researchers worldwide. Okay, let's meet the stars of the show, the 4 AI agents that make FutureHouse so revolutionary. First up, we've got Crow. Now, Crow is all about knowledge. It's like the librarian of the group, but this librarian has read every scientific paper ever published and can recall information with perfect accuracy. Crow's superpower is its ability to synthesize information from massive datasets and identify patterns that would be impossible for humans to spot. Need to analyze millions of genetic sequences to find potential drug targets? Crow can handle it. Next up, we have Falcon. If Crow is the librarian, Falcon is the detective. This AI agent is all about deep analysis and investigation. It can take a complex scientific problem, break it down into smaller pieces, and then explore each avenue systematically. Falcon excels at designing experiments, optimizing parameters, and finding creative solutions to challenging research questions. It's like having a superpowered research assistant that can run simulations, analyze data, and generate reports in real time. Then there's Owl, the strategist of the group. Owl specializes in understanding complex systems and predicting future outcomes. It can model the spread of a disease, simulate the effects of climate change, or even predict the success rate of a new drug trial. Owl's strength lies in its ability to connect the dots between seemingly unrelated data points and identify trends that would be invisible to the human eye. Last but not least, we have Phoenix the innovator. Phoenix is all about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This AI agent is constantly learning, evolving, and generating new ideas. Together, these 4 AI agents form a formidable team capable of tackling some of the world's most pressing scientific challenges. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is this just a bunch of AI hype? How do we know these agents actually work? Well, that's where things get really interesting. FutureHouse understands that trust and transparency are paramount when it comes to scientific research. That's why they've built their platform with a focus on explainable AI. What does that mean? It means that every conclusion, every prediction, every suggestion made by the AI agents is backed up with clear reasoning and data. When Falcon suggests a new experiment, it doesn't just spit out a random set of parameters. It provides a detailed breakdown of why it chose those specific parameters, what data it based its decision on, and what it expects the outcome to be. Imagine clicking on a prediction made by Owl and seeing a step-by-step explanation of how it arrived at that conclusion. You can see the data it analyzed, the connections it made, and the reasoning behind its prediction. This level of transparency is crucial because it allows human researchers to understand the AI's thought process, identify potential biases, and ultimately trust the results. FutureHouse also integrates seamlessly with existing research databases and tools. Imagine being able to connect Crow to PubMed, the world's largest library of medical research, and ask it to find all the papers published on a specific gene mutation. This seamless integration allows researchers to leverage the power of AI without having to learn complex new tools or abandon their existing workflows. Chapter 4. Free, open, and community-focused. Now here's the really exciting part. FutureHouse is committed to making its AI agents freely available to researchers worldwide. That's right, free. They believe that everyone, regardless of their background, institution, or funding, should have access to these powerful tools. This open access approach has the potential to democratize scientific discovery and accelerate the pace of innovation globally. Researchers can access the AI agents through a user-friendly web interface or through a powerful API that allows them to integrate the agents directly into their own software and workflows. But FutureHouse is more than just a platform. It's also building a vibrant community of researchers, developers, and AI enthusiasts. They envision a future where scientists from all over the world can collaborate on projects, share data, and push the boundaries of what's possible together. Imagine a global network of researchers working together to solve climate change, cure diseases, or explore the vast potential of the universe, all powered by the collective intelligence of human and artificial minds. This community-driven approach is crucial because it fosters collaboration, encourages innovation, and ensures that the development of these powerful AI tools is guided by ethical considerations and a shared vision for a better future. FutureHouse is not just about building cool technology, it's about building a better future for all of humanity. Chapter 5. How it changes science. So, we've talked about the what, the how, and the why of FutureHouse. Now let's talk about the impact. How is this going to change the face of science as we know it? First and foremost, FutureHouse has the potential to dramatically accelerate the pace of scientific discovery. Imagine being able to condense years of research into months or even weeks. Drug discovery, materials science, climate modeling, these are just a few fields that could see exponential progress with the help of AI-powered research assistants. But it's not just about speed, it's also about efficiency. FutureHouse can help researchers optimize their experiments, reduce waste, and allocate resources more effectively. Imagine a world where failed experiments are the exception, not the rule, because AI has helped researchers identify the most promising avenues of inquiry from the get-go. FutureHouse also has the potential to break down barriers in scientific research. With its cloud-based platform and multilingual capabilities, FutureHouse can connect researchers from all over the world and provide them with equal opportunities to contribute to scientific advancement. But perhaps the most profound impact of FutureHouse is its potential to foster a new era of collaboration and knowledge sharing in the scientific community. Chapter 6. Comparison with other AI tools. Now you might be thinking, okay, AI in science isn't exactly new. We've seen other tools and platforms emerge in recent years. And you'd be right. AI is already making waves in various scientific fields. But here's the thing. FutureHouse is different. It's not just about automating tasks or analyzing data. It's about augmenting human intelligence and empowering researchers to tackle bigger, bolder scientific questions. While other AI tools might excel in specific areas, like image analysis or natural language processing, FutureHouse aims to provide a more holistic and integrated approach to scientific discovery. Another key differentiator is FutureHouse's focus on transparency and explainability. Many AI tools operate as black boxes, making it difficult for researchers to understand how they arrived at their conclusions. FutureHouse, on the other hand, prioritizes transparency, providing researchers with clear explanations and data-driven insights to support the AI's recommendations. By making its platform freely available to researchers worldwide, FutureHouse is democratizing access to cutting-edge AI technology and fostering a more inclusive and collaborative scientific community. The future of science is human plus machine. As we've seen, FutureHouse isn't just another tech platform. It's a glimpse into the future of scientific discovery. AI is no longer just a tool. It's evolving into a genuine partner in pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. The future of science won't be about humans versus machines, but about humans and machines working together to unlock the universe's greatest mysteries. And that's a future worth getting excited about.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.